So previously we have discussed that one topic, that one is principle of moment. So today we are going to discuss on the numericals, okay, which come in your exam. So let's revise that. First we have discussed that what is moment. So I have told you that moment is what? Force into perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. Okay, so this one is the formula for moment. Then we have also discussed that principle of moment. And what is the statement of principle of moment? Principle of moment says that if any object is in equilibrium position, okay, then sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. So regarding this, today we are going to discuss the numericals, okay, by applying principle of moment, how we are going to solve the question. So let's take first question. So this question I have taken from Selena. So in this question, see, they have given the wheel shown in the diagram has a fixed axle passing through O. The wheel is kept stationary under the action of a horizontal force F1 at A and second a vertical force F2 at B. Now first question is what? Show the direction of force F2 in the diagram. Second question is which of the force F1 or F2 is greater. Then third question is what? Find the ratio between the force F1 and F2. And they have given O AO 2.5 centimeter, BO dash 1.5 centimeter, and O dash O 2 centimeter. Okay, so let's first draw the diagram. Okay, so in this question they have given you that there is a one wheel. Okay, so this one is one wheel, and it has one fixed axle. Axle means what? Suppose this one is wheel, and this wheel is fixed at this center. Okay, and it is capable to rotate. Okay, it is fixed like that, it is capable to rotate. So this one is point O. Now they have given you that there is one force F1 which is acting on this wheel, and there is one more force which is acting at this point B. Now distance, what distance they have given? AO. This distance they have given 2.5 centimeter. Then BO dash. Where is BO dash? This one. This distance they have given 1.5 centimeter. Then OO dash. This distance they have given 2 centimeter. So these are the given data. Now the first question is, see, in question already they state that this body is in which condition? Equilibrium condition. Okay, so this body is in equilibrium condition. They have already mentioned that, see, the wheel shown in the diagram has fixed axle passing through O. The wheel is kept stationary under the action of, okay, stationary means I have told you that now when several forces are acting on an object and it is in rest position, then we can say that it is in equilibrium condition. Okay, so here in question it has stated that this system is in equilibrium condition. Okay, so now tell me, according to principle of moment, we know that if any object is equilibrium, then sum of clockwise moment will be equal to sum of counterclockwise moment or anti-clockwise moment. Okay, CCW means counterclockwise. Now this one is our point about which this body is going to rotate O. Okay, so tell me, F1 force is try to rotate this wheel on clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So this one is the force, and this F1 force try to rotate this wheel in clockwise direction. Okay, so F1 will produce which moment? Clockwise moment. Okay. So counter this clockwise moment, we have to apply the force, okay, in the direction in which it will produce anti-clockwise moment. Because suppose this one is wheel, now one force is acting in this direction, so this force try to rotate this wheel in clockwise direction. So balance this, we have to produce the moment counterclockwise. So producing moment counterclockwise, we have to apply the force in the direction in which that force will produce a anti-clockwise moment. So how, and that force should act at point B. So what will be the direction? The force will act in this direction, like this, downward. Okay, so this one is the direction of force F2. Then this force is going to produce, because this force is going to produce which moment? Anti-clockwise moment. So now let's write the formula for clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment. So clockwise moment, which one is producing clockwise moment? This force F1. So we have to write F1 into D1 is equal to F2 into D2. Here F1 is, this force is how much? We don't know that force. F1 into, but distance we know that how much it is, 2.5. Then F2 into this F2, we have to take which distance? This distance. Okay, because I have told you that now force into perpendicular distance we have to take. So this one is axis point, axis of rotation, and this one is the force. So with this distance we have to take, so we have to write 2. So F1 by F2 we can write 2 divided by 2.5, or we can write 20 by 25. So F1 by F2 is equal to 4 by 5. So this one is the ratio. So our first question is what? Show the direction of force F2 in the diagram. So already I have shown you that. Then which of the force F1 or F2 is greater? That one we will tell later. Okay, find the ratio between force F1 and F2. So we have, this one is the answer of B. Now, sorry, not B, this one is answer of C. For B, it is asking that which force is greater. So from this equation you can see that F1 by F2 we can write 4 by 5, or suppose we cut this 4 by 5, we can get 0.8. So F1 by F2 is equal to 0.8, or we can write like that, F1 is equal to 0.8 times F2. So what you observe that from that? Which one is greater? Okay, so through this we can see that F2 value is greater than F1. Okay, because it has come in point, it is less than 1. Okay, so this value is greater, this value is less.